Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Form 1099 NEC. First, determine if you are a business paying an independent contractor over $600. This form is specifically for non-employee compensation, like payments to freelancers or consultants. It's crucial to send copies to recipients and the IRS by the deadline, typically January 31st. Getting this right ensures compliance and avoids potential penalties. Before you begin, gather all necessary information. You'll need the contractor's full legal name, their complete address, and their taxpayer identification number, which is usually their social security number or employer identification number. Also, accurately total the non-employee compensation paid throughout the year. Double-checking these details prevents errors and ensures smooth processing. Now, let's complete the form. Start by entering your business's name, address, and employer identification number in the payer section. Then, carefully input the recipient's information and the exact amount of non-employee compensation paid in Box 1. Remember to use digits for currency, like $1, 500. A thorough review of all fields is essential to catch any mistakes before filing. Once completed, send copy of Form 1099 NEC to the IRS and copy B to your contractor. Electronic filing is often the easiest and most efficient method, especially if you have many forms. Remember, timely submission is key to avoiding penalties. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out Little Tree's Black Ice. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.